Narito naman ang iyong kalaban, Flashbacker Vilmar!
Hi, I'm Vilmar from The Clash Season 4. Nagbabalik ngayon sa The Clash 2025. Masasabi ko na yung experience ko with The Clash is not an easy one.
Andito tayo ngayon. Papunta tayo sa Mandaluyong para sunduin si Vilmar Veray. I have good news for you! Kasali ka sa Season 7 ng The Clash.
Ang ma-expect nila kay Vilmar for The Clash 2025, hindi na yung si Vilmar dati na go with the flow lang. Kasi nung time na sumali siya ng The Clash, hatid sundo siya ng tatay niya. My dad passed away po last 2022. Since nawala yung tatay niya, bit-bit niya ngayon yung pagmamahal ng tatay niya sa bawat performance. Naniniwala siya na God's perfect timing in The Clash 2025.
Goodness! Grabe, Vilmar. Pakinggan muna natin ang ating Clash panel.
Vilmar, grabe, congratulations. Grabe yung pinakita mong range. You were cool, relaxed, pero may power. Nadala mo yung crowd. And talagang, well, I'm blown away by the performance, clearly. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Grabe, Vilmar. Ang dami mong sobrang success, sobrang powerful voice, and sobrang harmonic voice. Kung may sobrang Latina, ikaw sobrang harmonic!
Thank you so much, Miss Ai. Thank you so much po.
Oh my gulay. Gusto ko yung song na yun, honestly. And I was really, really thrilled that kinanta mo siya. And nakakabilib yung tone quality mo, yung resonance is just, I just simply love it. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Lani.
Thank you so much, Vilmar.